Powder cocaine is sniffed, while freebase cocaine, often referred to as crack, is smoked. Crack cocaine can either be made by dissolving with baking soda or ammonia, or can be bought ready-made. When you inhale the vapours of cocaine, the molecules dissolved in the smoke enter your body via the respiratory system, where they are distributed throughout the lungs. Here, cocaine molecules can penetrate the cell membranes of the air sacs and enter the capillaries. The air sacs then become inflamed. White blood cells are then released in order to fight the inflammation. The blood that has been absorbed into the lungs collects in the pulmonary veins and flows back to the heart, from where it is pumped back around the body via the aorta. The cocaine molecules then arrive in the brain at the same time, producing a rush or buzz. Sniffing cocaine leads to effects within 2 to 3 minutes, while smoking or injecting gives results in seconds. The cocaine molecules easily penetrate the blood vessels in the brain because of their small size, where they can move about freely and easily. They alter the communication between brain neurons, which become overactive. Cocaine has a strong effect on the reward system of the brain. This leads to highly increased energy and self-confidence, which eventually fades into a depressive period referred to as a come-down. The cocaine molecules are then pumped back to the heart and then around the body via the aorta, then entering the liver, where the cocaine molecules are converted into metabolites. The blood containing cocaine molecules and metabolites then enters the heart, where it is pumped around the rest of the body. Cocaine increases your heartbeat and raises blood pressure. The cocaine reaches the kidneys, where it diffuses through the branches of the renal arteries. The molecules and metabolites arrive at the filter elements of the kidney, known as nephrons, where they are eventually discharged from the body via the urinary tract. Sniffing or snorting cocaine is a very common method of using the drug. Capillaries in the nasal passage absorb the cocaine molecules. They are then pumped down to the heart, where the blood containing cocaine molecules is pumped around the rest of the body via the aorta. The cocaine molecules are then pumped to the brain. This takes 2 to 3 minutes, resulting in a more gradually intensifying high. Finally, cocaine can also be injected, but this method of shooting up is not quite as common. Cocaine is most commonly injected intravenously into a vein. This is dangerous, as most cocaine is mixed with other substances in order to create the notion of greater quantity. The blood flows upward through the arm and transports the cocaine to the heart, where it is pumped around the rest of the body. A sudden rush or buzz is felt when injecting cocaine. All of the cocaine molecules arrive in the brain at the same time. This effect is felt within around 30 seconds, whereas snorting cocaine takes 2 to 3 minutes and smoking crack only about 10 seconds.